Hi friends! Are you ready for your phonics? Okay, get your book and get your pencil and eraser ready. Okay? Okay, when you get your book, I want you to open your books to page 80. Now, what you have to do here is say the sound of all letters and says here, what word do the sound make? Write the words in the blank. Okay, so let's look at this letters that we have here. Okay, so these are 3-letter words. Okay, so consonant, vowels, and consonant. Now let's look at the first letter here. There is the letter C, and then there is the letter A. Now what does the C and A make? What sound does it make? Let's make the first letter sound here. C makes the sound k, k, k. A makes the sound a, a, a. So when you combine those two, it will make the sound ka, ka. Now let's add the t, t, t sound. Cat, 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 cat. When you're done making the sound, I want you to write the word here. C-A-T, cat. Then you do it with the next word and the next word and the next word until you're all done. Don't forget to write the word on the space provided in this page. Okay, so that was our phonics lesson today. It's practicing to read 3-letter words. Okay, so continue on to practice at home with mommy and daddy. Okay, so now get ready for your English subject activity.